bet right now is to try and just hold off this last 23 seconds and then play the overtime point.
I've seen crazy things happen though, Matty.
It goes, so it doesn't go to a shootout first. It goes to a 3-minute overtime point, and if there is nobody that wins that point, then it goes to a shootout. So
Dalton Vanderbilt getting shot on the break. Nicky Cuba coming up to the tall tower. Here comes Tyler Harmon.
God, Tyler Harmon's just on the run through. Oh my God! And here comes Oliver Lane cleaning it up, and I think Kyle Spica might have enough time. He's digging in 2-1. Slides. Oh God!
Wow!
San Diego Dynasty looks like they're taking the victory. I don't know if he had enough time as the team spills out. The refs are going to sort it out. That most dramatic finish we've seen at this event. What a way to start the season. San Diego Dynasty. I am officially swallowing my words.
That's why I do this right now.
Wow, that was
love this.
Incredibly impressive.
Amazing.
And you just Infamous is throwing a fit right now. Oh my God, referee's going to sort it out. The crowd goes wild here and outside of Dallas, and whew, good Lord, doesn't get any more dramatic than that.
Todd, what do you think about this right now?
Man, that was a
speechless.
That was a crazy finish.
Did he make it?
I don't know. I'd like to see it in super slow-mo.
Look at Spica sell it. Kyle Spica, new pickup from Dynasty, man, handling business here at this event. Played great all event long.
Five. You know what? And I said it. I said it can happen. It can happen.
You were right. You did call it. So congratulations to San Diego Dynasty, completely destroying the hopes and dreams of LA Infamous. And I mean, I can't. If I was on Infamous right now, I'd be standing there, kind of shaking my head, like, how in the hell did that happen? How did we let Dynasty come back in that manner? Well, what it was is penalties kill you. That's a perfect lesson right there. Penalties will always destroy your dreams of winning a paintball tournament.
And this is why we do our job right here. This is why we watch this. Dynasty, that top-level pro teams, I mean, it could win either way. Infamous is just as good as Dynasty. However, that penalty is a thorn in the side of Infamous.
Unbelievable. Look at that. Ryan Greenspan, gigantic smile on his face. Tyler Harmon broke open the game and proven he deserves to play on this legendary team. Let's watch this replay. My God, I can't wait to see this again. This is going to live forever in paintball memory here. Look at this.
Look at this breakout.
There's just a few seconds left on the clock. Look at this. Up goes. That's Oliver. They cut. And then here it comes. There it goes. Launching from the back. Tyler Harmon all the way. Just throws caution to the wind. Dives out. And then Kyle Spica fast little Kyle Spica, able to get that flag in time.
Unbelievable.
Oh my God.
Matty, I mean, listen. If this is what's going to happen for the finals, I am going to probably puke.
Yeah, and so I threw up in my mouth a little bit actually right there. So there you go.
Amazing.
Wow. So Dynasty's going to be playing Tampa Bay Damage in the final.